Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The Tesla continues to dominate the electric vehicle market, and the 2025 Tesla Model S is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation, performance, and sustainability. This latest iteration of the iconic Model S comes with advanced technology, improved battery efficiency, and a luxurious yet minimalistic interior. Exterior design and aerodynamics. The 2025 Tesla Model S maintains its sleek, aerodynamic profile while incorporating minor refinements for enhanced efficiency. The smooth, flowing lines reduce drag, contributing to better range and performance. Key exterior features include flush door handles. These pop out when needed, reducing air resistance when retracted. Matrix LED headlights, improved brightness and adaptive technology for the better night driving. Battery and range. Tesla's latest battery technology pushes the Model S to new heights in terms of range and charging speed. The 2025 Model S comes with 100 kWh lithium-ion battery, providing an estimated range of up to 412 miles on a single charge. Supercharging capability, can charge up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes at Tesla Supercharger stations. Regenerative braking system, converts kinetic energy back into battery power, improving efficiency, performance and driving dynamics. The 2025 Model S offers two primary variants. Long-range AWD, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Plaid Edition, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars ever, with a top speed of 200 miles per hour. Interior and technology. Tesla has refined the Model S interior, focusing on luxury and minimalism, with state-of-the-art technology to enhance the driving experience. 17-inch center touchscreen, a crisp display with faster processing power for seamless navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Yoke steering wheel, optional round wheel, a futuristic yoke-style steering wheel for an immersive driving experience. Rear 8-inch touchscreen, allows passengers to control climate and entertainment settings. Autopilot and full self-driving, FSD. Tesla continues to improve its autopilot and full self-driving, FSD, package, offering features like autonomous lane changes, automatic parking, traffic light and stop sign recognition, summon and smart summon, allowing the car to park itself or come to the driver within a parking lot. While FSD is still under development for full autonomy, Tesla regularly releases over-the-air (OTA) updates to enhance its capabilities. Safety and driver assistance. Tesla vehicles are known for their high safety ratings, and the 2025 Model S is no exception. Key safety features include 8 surround cameras, providing a 360-degree view around the vehicle. 12 ultrasonic sensors, for precise object detection. Automatic emergency braking, prevents collisions by stopping the vehicle when necessary. Side collision avoidance, uses sensors to detect and mitigate potential side impacts. Connectivity and software updates. Tesla's advanced software ecosystem makes the Model S smarter over time. Features include OTA software updates, regular updates that introduce new features and improve existing ones. Tesla app integration, control vehicle functions remotely, including climate control and charging. 2025 Tesla Model S price and variants. The pricing for the 2025 Model S depends on the chosen variant and optional upgrades. Model S Long Range AWD starting at $88,990. Model S Plaid A starting at $108,990. Full self-driving, FSD, package A additional $12,000. Premium interior upgrades A $3,000, $5,000 extra, depending on customization. Final thoughts. The 2025 Tesla Model S remains a top choice for those seeking a high-performance electric luxury sedan. With cutting-edge technology, an impressive range, and groundbreaking acceleration, it continues to set the benchmark for EVs. Whether you're drawn to its futuristic interior, powerful battery, or self-driving capabilities, the Model S delivers an experience unlike any other.